Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to organize your website design projects in Asana, step by step. If you're a web designer, freelancer, or even part of a creative team, Asana can be a total game changer for managing projects, deadlines, and client tasks all in one place. So let's jump right in. First things first, we're going to create a new project in Asana. From your dashboard, click Create New Project. Now you'll see a few options like Portfolio, Template, and Blank Project. For this tutorial, we're going to choose Blank Project since we're building our own custom setup. We're not inviting clients or team members yet. This project will be for our internal design workflow. You can either start completely from scratch or use one of Asana's ready-made templates. For web design projects, I recommend using the Web Design or Creative Project template. These already include useful sections like planning, design, review, and launch. If you can't find the search bar in the template section, don't worry. Asana sometimes updates its layout, but you can scroll through the options manually. Once you've chosen your template, it's time to set the project dates. You can choose a start date and an end date. For example, let's say your project runs from October 2024 to December 2024. This helps you keep track of your timeline and make sure everyone stays on schedule. Click Create Project and boom, your new Asana project is ready. Asana gives you several views to manage your tasks. List View for detailed to-do lists, Board View for visual task management, Timeline View for Gantt-style scheduling, Calendar View to see all your due dates at a glance, Dashboard to track progress and workload. Each view is useful in different stages of your design process. For example, use Board View during design sprints and Timeline View when planning client milestones. Now, let's start adding tasks. In your list view, click Add Task and give it a name. Let's say Alex Website Design. Next, assign a due date, add subtasks, and set the priority. You can even create custom fields for things like design stage, client approval, or asset type. Don't forget to include a clear description for each task. For example, design homepage layout, create logo variations, optimize images for mobile, set up responsive layouts. Using bullet points like these makes it easy for you or your team to follow along. If you switch to Board View, you'll see your tasks arranged as cards. You can create sections such as Instructions, Concepting, Design in Progress, Client Approval, Completed. This gives you a full visual pipeline of your web design process, from initial concept to final launch. Here are a few quick tips to keep your projects organized. Use tags for different clients or website types. Set recurring tasks for things like weekly updates or design reviews. Attach files directly to tasks, mockups, brand guides, or images. Use comments to communicate with your team instead of switching to email. And that's it. You've now created a fully organized website design project inside Asana, complete with views, timelines, and clear task management. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you want me to cover other project management tools like Trello or Notion. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.